I'm saying? Oh, Lord. Hey. Oh! What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. And yes, as I said I was going to do, I'm unboxing my new pair of basketball shoes. I thought I'd share them with you guys. I've been rocking some old pair of shoes for a few years now. It's time for an upgrade. I was rocking the Dame Time ones, and then I was rocking the John Wall ones. And those came out back in like 2015. If I could, I'm gonna see if I can get it. Let me grab both of those real quick. So as you guys see here, these are the Wall ones, and you know, where you guys, kind of see, they don't look. I mean, they look tattered up, especially on this side. You see it falling apart there.
You say tatted up?
Tattered up. Look at you. The Walls. They still kind of have a level of grip on the bottom because these were my inside shoes for the most part. I wore these mainly on the inside, but if you look inside the sole, I wore the sole out. I need to buy a new sole, you know what I'm saying? And I bought them right here. These are the Wall ones. Had these for a few years. The reason why they lasted so long was because I had two pairs to interchange between. Oh, that was interesting. These are the Dame Time ones. These, as you guys can see, are relatively torn up too, as you guys can see here. They're just coming apart. So they've lasted 3 years. I don't know how long basketball shoes are supposed to last. The bottoms are worn out on these, no grip. But these were my outside shoes, so it really didn't matter. Inside actually stayed together much well. That's me knocking my light out over here. So my Dame Times, they still look relatively pretty. I just throw some water on them and clean them. You know what I'm saying? But that's those. And these were to replace those. These James Harden Volume 3s in a beautiful purple collegiate color. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Holla! Make sure I get up in there. Tiger Claw. Alright. Remember, kids, don't cut too far away from you. So you have to whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright. Put her away. Alright. Okay. Okay with a. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh no. Box upside down? Box upside down. Ooh. Hold up, though. Oh. Oh, whoa. You see the box, though, guys? You see the box? A nice box. Oh. Floss. Look at this, though. Look at the hard. I'm saying on. Oh. Oh, Lord. Hey. Oh. Oh. Hold up, yo. These boys are pretty bad right here. Woo. Hold up. Yo, look at this. See this right here? Look at this. What? Oh, with like the fuchsia, pink, magenta going on in the middle. This collegiate purple. Bruh, the embroidery of the freaking Adidas symbol, though, in the shoe. James Harden's, signature. I'm glad this is not Velcro up here. I'm glad this is just more of a stretchy thing, because I don't want to be trying, But these are relatively low tops, which is cool with me. Ankle support, ankle maneuverability. Can't talk today. On the inside, I didn't know it said that. It said Lucky on the inside. I guess he considered himself lucky. But as you guys can look at that, just wink, Adidas. Just guys, now see, when I saw this via pictures, I didn't know what this foam was gonna be like here, but it is nice and hard. Real nice. And then this gel, this light blue gel down here, just the attention to detail. And I believe these were the ones that we saw get created. We were watching a shoe show on YouTube Originals, and it was either the James Harden Volume 3s or it was James Harden's it wasn't Volume 2, it was like his LS 2s or something like that. That we saw actually like the team that won the shoe game show for Adidas actually get to make a shoe for him. And then as you guys can see here, I think this is, see, I knew what this was before and then I forgot. So I don't know if this, see at first, if you guys see right here, if it'll focus, there's numbers right there. And I thought it was like his number or when he was born or something like that. And then I started looking at it, it looked like it was an IP address. But I'll figure out the what that number means, and I'll try to put it, you know, down here somewhere. But these are the James Harden Volume 3s. This shoe is crazy. The inside, James Harden number 13. Now, yeah, no, it doesn't even have that there. Now, in the picture, it did. Now, I do kind of like the attention to detail with this black piece right here. Signifying, you know, the big toe area, you could say. This shoe is crazy nice. Size 13. Got big foot, y'all. Got big foot. Hold up. Oh, I almost thought they sent it to me 12 and a half. I was like, hold up, y'all crazy. But, all right. Thank you, Adidas. Now, this is 13 right here, though. Along the side right here. That this thing stays out the way. X111, 10, 111, plus 3 equals 13. James Harden into his house. We lefties, you know, because I'm a lefty, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad I was able to get these. I got them on sale during like the pre-Cyber Mondays. I got these on Sunday. I think it was 30 or 40% off. They were originally 140, got them for 100. Well, after taxes, 100. It was 98 before tax. So that's the left shoe. I just happened to grab the left shoe. Let's look at this right shoe. Probably more or less the same. Yup, it's beautiful. I like the little speckled black and like mint. I guess this could be considered a mint color. Speckled mint on top of that black. As if it's like concrete, I guess you could say. Just some, ooh. Oh, these are glow in the dark. Oh, so that's what that is? Now, on this shoe, it's got a different set of numbers on it. This one's 0001.9.59.11.12. And this one was, that was this one. And this one is 0001.9.37.11.20. So I don't know if it's when the shoe was like out of all the shoes that was made, that's the number of each shoe and they're created. I know these are glow in the dark though. So I might try a little trick real quick and turn off the lights and see if they glow in the dark. Maybe they've gotten enough light from my studio lights in here, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh. But these are crazy nice, guys. Like, woo. You know what? Go ahead and shut, oh, dang it. Yeah, shut the lights out real quick. Let's see if these glow real quick. Okay, there's one. I mean, yeah, I don't think they're gonna glow that deep in the dark. I'll go ahead and turn that light back on.
I see some glow.
You do? Oh, the speckle glows. Now, you guys may not be able to see that. Nah, turn on the light. Yeah, you guys may not be able to see that, but the speckle was glowing in the dark. So, you know, if I ever get some of that midnight hooping in, I guess my feet would look pretty in the dark. But I ain't worried about that. I didn't even know they glowed in the dark, to tell you the truth. But, you know, that's cool. I ain't hating on it. Now I just got to take this little piece. I'll worry about that later. But, guys, in this box, you know I got to keep the box. This was a crazy presentation right here. I dig it. Boom. Boom. These boys was crazy. Like, woo! Might be the thumbnail, you know, that's why I had to pause real quick. But guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys play basketball, if you like James Harden, if you guys keep up with anything, what basketball shoes you like wearing, what brand do you guys like repping? As you can see, Adidas is the name of the game in this household, you know what I'm saying? So I like Adidas, you know, it is what it is. But that's it for this video. If you haven't already, ignite that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with everywhere and everyone you can. Those looking for some b-ball shoes, those who want to see what these look like. This purple is crazy right now, and I can't wait to rock these. And of course, you're gonna see pictures of these on Instagram, probably Twitter too. And I might try to get a little b-balling in. You know, it's gotta kind of show you guys a little bit. I might use that Apple app that tracks jump shots. You know what I'm saying? Might be another video idea. You never know. But if you guys want to see that, leave the comments down below for sure. Otherwise, Your boy Versatile signing out. And until the next video. Ooh, you gotta love that new shoe smell, y'all. Lefties in his house. Wait for it.